Are you ready to dive into the world of magic and innovation? Join us as we unravel the enchanting features of the iPhone 13 series, where every moment becomes extraordinary. From its mesmerizing design to its captivating display, the iPhone 13 series is a true masterpiece. Get ready to be spellbound by its beauty. With its advanced camera system, the iPhone 13 series lets you capture every moment in stunning detail, turning everyday scenes into cinematic masterpieces. Experience the magic of speed and efficiency. Powered by the latest technology, the iPhone 13 series delivers lightning-fast performance and a seamless user experience, making every task a breeze. But wait, there's more! With a wide range of vibrant colors and accessories to choose from, you can personalize your iPhone 13 to match your unique style and personality. Ready to make magic happen? Don't miss out on the opportunity to own the iPhone 13 series. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and click the link in the description to purchase your very own iPhone 13 today. Get ready to embark on a journey of wonder and excitement with the iPhone 13 series. Subscribe now and let the magic begin.